Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So, as you all know that recently I have given one interview and they have given me some Excel test to solve. So, I am solving that questions with you here. So, let's get started. You can check my previous videos where I have done other questions and now I am solving the next question. So as you can see, you have to transform below data vertically. So how we'll do this? Let's get started. First we'll select the whole data and then we copy this data and then we we select some cell and right click, and here we have so many options. We go to paste special and here we have this transpose option. So we'll click on that and easily we can do this. So this is how you can convert your data, horizontal data, into vertical form. So keep learning, keep growing, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.